Hello everyone, this is Kranti Zagde presenting a research paper in International Web Conference on Science, Engineering and Technology. The name of my research article is Morphology of Dendritic Fractal Electrodeposits and X-ray Diffraction Pattern of Zinc Acetate. So this paper focuses on morphology of dendritic electrodeposits and X-ray diffraction pattern of zinc acetate. So at higher cell voltages, the electrodeposits tend to have more amorphous structure. The method to form zinc aggregate for this experiment was through a process that is called as electrodeposition. So what is this electrodeposition? This is a process that uses a weak electric field and Brownian motion to form aggregates, giving rise to branching pattern. This field combined with Brownian motion, the random walk a particle takes when it is suspended in a liquid, that creates the fractal through a mechanism that is called as diffusion limited aggregation, that is DLA. For this work, to determine the effects of voltage and concentration of zinc acetate solution on the fractal dimensions of zinc aggregate created through a form of electrodeposition that is called as diffusion limited aggregation. A fractal is anything that is self-similar, which means the only structural differential between an object and its component is scale. Fractal dimension is a measure of the complexity or self-similarity of an object. The way zinc aggregate formed for this experiment was through a process is called as electrodeposition. Now, the morphology of dendritic electrodeposition. So, there are two diagrams here. Typically, electrodeposits obtained from 1 molar zinc acetate solution at a cell operating voltage of 9 volt and 3 volts are presented in this figure 1. Both the figures A and B shows that the formation of branches takes place in accordance with the lattice structure as is seen from characteristic branches at about 120 degree. This is more prominent in the second figure, that is the electrodeposit obtained at 3 volt. Now, the X-ray diffraction analysis. Electrodeposits obtained from zinc acetate solution as an electrolyte at two different cell operating voltages, that is 9 volt and 3 volt, were analyzed using X-ray diffraction pattern. Measurements were done by XRD method with X-ray diffractometry, that is D8 advanced Bruker X-ray at room temperature. The XRD spectrum corresponding to electrodeposit at 9 volt shows count at different angles almost all over the spectrum with a distinct hum at around 30 degree, and the characteristic peaks corresponding to 110, 200, 004 and 303 are also visible, however less prominent. The XRD spectrum for electrodeposit obtained at cell operating voltage of 3 volt, that is second figure, shows prominent sharp and distinct peaks corresponding to 110, 200, 004 and 303. These peaks are seen to be more prominent here because of the fact that the electrodeposit here is having more of crystalline nature as compared to that of the 9 volt electrodeposit. That is the first diagram. At higher cell operating voltage, there is more of radial component driving the ions toward the cathode, which obstruct the natural deposition. Therefore, the electrodeposit deviates more and more from crystalline deposits and tends to appear more and more amorphous, which is clearly visible from the comparison of this XRD spectra as shown in these two diagrams. Here are the conclusions. Electrodeposits obtained from zinc acetate solution as an electrolyte at two different cell operating voltages of 9 volt and 3 volt were analyzed using XRD. It is seen that at lower operating voltage at 3 volt, the electrodeposit possesses more crystalline structure as compared to that of the cell operating voltage of 9 volt. So, at higher cell voltages, the electrodeposits tend to have more amorphous nature. The result and discussions. The electrodeposit shown in these two figures exhibits branching at an angle of 2 pi by 3 or 120 degree, which is of the zinc crystalline structure, which is simple hexagonal with lattice angle of pi by 2 and 2 pi by 3. Also, it is seen that at lower cell operating voltage 3 volt, the electrodeposit possesses more crystalline structure as compared to that of that for cell operating voltage of 9 volt. At higher cell voltages, the electrodeposits tend to have more amorphous structure as shown in the diagram.